Dive into the world of IPTV and discover the secrets of seamless streaming in just minutes. Today, we are unveiling how to subscribe to IPTV Smarters quickly and effortlessly with just a few steps. To start, visit 2tv.store, the leading provider renowned for exceptional IPTV services worldwide and a user-focused approach. Once there, select the subscription plan that suits your viewing needs, whether it's basic, premium, or ultimate access. After selecting a plan, you're just a few clicks away from immersing yourself in the IPTV experience of a lifetime. Discover a vast array of international channels, from USA news to UK dramas, all at your fingertips instantly. Now, enter your login details for IPTV Smarters and follow a simple on-screen prompt to begin your subscription. As soon as your details are confirmed, you'll receive immediate access to endless entertainment content from 2tv.store. Watch as your streaming experience transforms with smoother viewing, high-quality visuals, and an extensive library of content. With one account, share the joy of IPTV with family, no matter where they reside, sharing brilliant moments together. Stay updated with the latest releases and classic hits, bringing cinema-quality entertainment directly to your home screen. Don't wait any longer to transform your viewing habits. Start your journey with IPTV Smarters and 2tv.store today. Our comprehensive support ensures a hassle-free experience, with solutions available 7 days a week, around the clock. Take control of your entertainment world and let your curiosity drive a new era of digital viewership enjoyment. Join thousands enjoying a superior IPTV service, making every family gathering an audience experience worth sharing. Subscribe now and unlock exclusive benefits that will transform your leisure time into an unforgettable adventure.